Hey, Supreme Fishy here. And you already know the drill. This time, welcome to a double unboxing. Why I say double, you may ask? Because we're gonna be unboxing two of these stuff I got today during Clínica de Play in Mallorca. I so far got today, I got Hogwarts Legacy, the most anticipating game I wanted to play for months now. I've been wanting to play this game for months, ever since the Game Awards announced it on the trailer. And I can see why this game got the Game Awards for most anticipated game. Even though I saw a little bit of spoilers on gameplay trailers, but the gameplay looks insane. And what the best part is, we get to customize our character and choose one of the 4 classes. Let's play a game. Take a guess, which class do you think I'm gonna join in? What do you think is my favorite school class group in Hogwarts? And I'll tell you this, Fishies, I will make a live stream of me playing this game. I will make a live stream of me playing this game. And as you can see, the game is published by Avalanche, developed by Avalanche Studios, and published by Warner Brothers Games, or Warner Brothers Games in literal language. Porky Games, is that by the developer? Porky Games? I thought it was developed by Avalanche. And as you can see, the game is rated T for teen. And it requires internet, and yes, do not mind why the cover's in Spanish. We got this, we're in Colombia, so this is what you'll probably expect. LOL. XDDDD, raffle, lamau. Here's the spine, it says ps5, Hogwarts Legacy in basic letters, UPC codes, and the back. Look at that, with the school cafeteria of Hogwarts. Live the unwritten. Hogwarts Legacy is an immersive open-world action RPG set in the world first introduced in the Harry Potter books and movies. Now you can take control of the action and be at the center of your own adventure in the wizarding world. Your legacy is what you make of it. Escribe tu propia historia. Hogwarts Legacy es un RPG de acción en un mundo abierto ambientado en el universo de los libros de Harry Potter. Ahora puedes tomar control de la acción y ser centro de tu propia aventura en el mundo mágico. Crea tu propio legado. And then here's some screen captures of the game, which I can just tell we're in for a big treat. Especially if you're a diehard Harry Potter fan. Explore an open world. Explora un mundo abierto. Be the witch or wizard you want to be. Conviértete en el mago o brujo que quieres ser. Experience a new world wizarding adventure. Disfruta una nueva historia del mundo mágico. 1 player, online play optional, 85 gigabytes minimum. 85 gigabytes Jesus, Mary and Joseph. I'm noticing that the PS5 version takes more gigabytes than the PS4 version of the games. Maybe it has some extra content, or it's probably the graphics. That's why. Rumble Pack vibration is compatible. Microtransactions, of course. Audios in English, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. Subtitles also in English, French, and Spanish and Portuguese. And Jesus Christ, there's a lot of companies who make this game. Well, of course, there's the Wizarding World and Warner Brothers Interactive Entertainment. And as you can see, the game is rated T for teen due to fantasy violence, violencia de fantasía, blood, sangre, mild language, lenguaje moderado, and use of alcohol, y uso de alcohol, with in-game purchases, con compras dentro del juego. And before I unbox Hogwarts Legacy, let's show you the other thing I'm going to be unboxing. It's this PlayStation DualSense charging station. Why I got this, you may ask? Well, surprisingly, Clínica de Play, we originally got the charging station, right? But Clínica de Play was doing like a little deal that was only lasting for 2 days only, that if you buy any PlayStation-related accessory, you get a game for free. And that's how I got, Hogwarts Legacy. So that was a pretty cool deal. You guys should check out on Clínica de Play. It's pretty cool. The spine, compatible hardware. Here's the spine again. Ouch. Oh, frick. Oh my god, I hit a little bit of my Hogwarts Legacy. Let me put you right in the front over here, Hogwarts Legacy. Here's the other spine, English, French, and Spanish. And the back. Click, charge, and play. You could charge the 2 controllers, free up USB ports with the click and design. Well, just look at that. There is the disc. Hogwarts Legacy. PlayStation 5 with a bunch of clouds in the back, representing like that opening to that Warner Brothers logo. It's pretty awesome. And I see we got some extra content. Link your Harry Potter fan club account or your Warner Brothers Games account to customize your game and unlock exclusive rewards. You claim these bonuses when you link your accounts. You bring your Wizarding World identity to the game, and you enjoy exclusive in-game rewards. Well, that's cool. Okay, so I guess it's like a little... Okay, it's like a little advertisement. Oh, okay. This is an exclusive quest, a PlayStation exclusive. Additional dungeons, shopkeepers, cosmetics set, and an in-game Hogsmeade shop. Oh, that's cool. The haunted Hogsmeade shop. So, okay, that one for sure has to have a code in it. If I try my best not to ruin the thingamajig. Is there any code? Any codes? Yeah, there's a code. There's a code which I refuse to show, so you guys go get your own codes. More codes. The Onyx Hippogriff Mount and Felix Felicis Potion Recipe. I'm gonna see if there's another code in there for this one. Yep, there's another code in this one. Oh my god, why is this... My god, this tape is extremely tight. Okay, I'm now opening up the box for 20 minutes. I'm gonna keep it, obviously. Let's see what's inside of this PlayStation DualSense charging station. Let's go. Okay, let's see. So there's the manual. What is this? Oh, I'm gonna assume this is the adapter. This is probably like the adapter itself. Like this is the adapter itself. The AC power cord to run in the fun, and of course the charging station itself. Like, look at that. Like, this is like these are just like the clicks you put in to charge it all up, and then plus you can see the PlayStation logo in its grave. Alright, Fishy, so as you can see, I got my ps5 and I got the little charging station right over here. And first of all, turn it on. Let's test it out.
Welcome back to PlayStation. Explore. Home for Supreme Fishy.
Alright, let's just test it out. Let's see if it actually works. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay. I think it actually works. Now let's go ahead and put in our Hogwarts Legacy to the console.
Welcome back to PlayStation. Explore.
Let's go. Alright, without further ado,
Press cross to select.
let's insert the disc. Move out of the way, Spider-Man. I got something way better than this. It's the one and only Hogwarts Legacy. Here we go.
New notification.
Let's go.
ps5. Hogwarts Legacy. Home for Supreme Fishy. Button. Press cross to select.
Let's go.
4 out of 14 L1 button or R1 button switch homes. Options button. Options.
For more content, press the down button. Can't wait to see what my experience is going to be like in Hogwarts.